Hello everyone, I am Ankur Nain. In this video, I will discuss the question related to find the integral value of an inverse function. That is, here it is tangent inverse of 1 minus 1 by x. You need to find its integration and the limits are 0 to 1. So, how we will proceed is, it's a very simple question, but you need to know the properties of tangent inverse function and also some properties of integration. It's equal to tangent, suppose this equal to I. So you can write it as 1 minus, यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे 1 plus 0 minus x dx. Why? Using this property. So this is the property we have used. You can see here a is equal to 0 and b equal to 1, and here fx equal to 1 minus up tangent inverse of 1 minus 1 by x. So x की in place of x we will put 1 plus 0 minus x. So it will be like so you will get I equal to x tan inverse x by minus x 1 minus x. Or you can write it as tangent inverse x by x minus 1 dx. Put this as equation 1 and this as equation number 2. You can write equation 1 as tangent inverse or like you can write equation 1 as this. So from equation 1 you can write it as equation number 1 and here you can remove. So equation 1 gives this value and equation 2 gives this value, but this is same as I. ठीक है, तो you will add 1 and 2. Why we are adding 1 and 2? You can see some similarities here. It's like tangent inverse of x minus 1 by x and it is reciprocal of this tangent inverse x minus 1 आपका denominator में और x आपका numerator में. So we will use some another property of tangent inverse function. Add 1 and 2. So it will be like 2i equal to 0 to 1 tangent inverse x minus 1 divided by x plus tangent inverse x by x minus 1. Now we will use some another property of tangent inverse x. Using if x greater than 0. If we have the domain of tangent inverse function as x and 1 by x, and if x is greater than 0, then we will get the addition as pi by 2. And tan inverse x plus tangent inverse 1 by x equal to minus pi by 2 if x less than 0. It's minus pi by 2. So now you need to find whether x minus 1 by x is greater than 0 or less than 0. To find the sign of x minus 1 by x, we know that x lies between 0 and 1 because here the limit is 0 and 1. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. So x minus 1 will be less than 0. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं. And x is greater than 0. So x minus 1 by x will be less than 0. So from here we will get this value as, the summation of this value as minus pi by 2 because this domain is less than 0. ठीक है, और it is reciprocal of this whole term. तो यहाँ से आपकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी, you will get the value as minus pi by 2 dx. Or the value of I will be minus pi by 4. This is the required answer. It's an easy question. So in the next video we will discuss the next question related to the calculus part that has come in the 2020 UPSC Mathematics Optional Paper 1. So you can see these are very easy questions, you can extract maximum marks by attempting like this. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.